Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change X or Twitter username. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to open your Twitter or X application on your device and then click on your profile picture at the top left corner of your screen. Now click on the settings and support and then scroll down till you see the settings and privacy. So just click on it and then click on your account. Then click on account information. And then here you can see your username. So just tap on it. And then erase your current username. And then type out the new username that you want to appear. Okay, so for example, so you'll have to look for an available username. And then just click on done. Okay, after finalizing everything. So as you can see, when I checked my profile, my username has been updated. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.